Hello, I'm Dr. Rohini Paul. I'm going to make it very simple about the limb lead replacement for the ECG checking. So this is again part of our nursing skill tip. So here I'm not going to elaborate anything. Just I'll make very simple how a nurse could remember this, because we have confusion because there are 4 colors. So here you have a white color, a green color, which comes on your right side. You have a black color and a red color, which comes on your left side. So how as a nurse you will remember? See, I have given a picture here, you will see. Always remember the snow over grass. I have given a picture here. Snow means snow. That snow is white color. Snow always come on the top of the green, that's grass. So this is what, remember like that, snow over green or grass. This you can remember as a nurse. So that means always your white will be up and your green will be at the bottom. Similarly, remember smoke over fire. See, practically fire will be at the bottom, smoke will be on the top. So smoke over fire. Smoke is on top, fire at the bottom. So that means black is on top in the arm and your red is on the leg. So this much if you remember, I'm telling you for right time, you will not forget. So this is what I want to emphasize here. If you go through this video again, and I'm sure you will be able to understand better. Thank you very much.